start, I would like briefly to give the background under which this bill has been brought forward by the government. The House is aware that this institution has been in existence now for nearly half a century. It was established in 1960, and since then it has rendered very valuable service for the promotion of Hindi, and through holding various conferences it focused the attention of the country to the great importance of Hindi as a national language. The institution has rendered valuable service in various other ways also. It has been conducting examinations. It has also been affiliating institutions which are doing similar kind of work in the field of Hindi, and it has branches in various parts of the country. The institution has also built up a library which probably contains almost all the books which have been published in Hindi so far, and it has a valuable collection of manuscripts. I understand that it is one of the best in the whole country. It conducts various examinations, and these examinations have been recognized by the government. It has also on its rolls a large number of members. Some differences have arisen among the members, and the activities of the institution have been paralyzed. After the declaration of Hindi as the official language, it was thought by the Sammelan that it was necessary to amend its constitution. Therefore, at the Hyderabad session of the Sammelan held in March 1999, a resolution was passed for the amendment of the constitution, and a committee of 21 members was appointed to frame the rules and place its recommendations before a special session of the Sammelan to be held at Patna. This committee did prepare a draft constitution for the Sammelan, and it was placed before the Patna session of the Sammelan. But unfortunately, at this session, differences arose among the members, and after a good deal of discussion, it was decided ultimately to entrust the framing of the constitution to a committee of 11 persons, with this proviso that a constitution signed by 8 members shall be deemed to be approved by the general session of the Sammelan. This committee prepared a constitution, and it was considered by the session of the committee held in December. At this session, differences arose among the members, and the Sammelan was not able to hold its session.